The RL78 ELCL feature allows various system signals to be connected in combination with any logic function, allowing flexible customization of functions according to system requirements. In conventional design, OR gate is added to the circuit to connect 4-wire SPI of master MCU to 3-wire SPI of slave MCU. This video demonstrates how to simplify the system circuit design with RL78 logic and event link controller function. NIO is input to ELCL together with serial clock to act as a slave select signal to achieve 4-wire SPI communication. The development environment used is listed in the table. You can search for the sample code and application note used in this demonstration by document name or number. There are 3 videos, and this video shows part 1, create the project. In eSquare Studio, open the new C++ project dialog. Select Renesas RL78, Renesas CCRLC++ executable project. Enter the project name and click Next. Set the tool chain settings. Select the target device as R7F100GLGXFB. Create hardware debug configuration for E2 Lite, RL78. Ensure Use Smart Configurator is checked and click Finish. Project is created successfully. The application uses the following components. In Smart Configurator, select the Components tab. Click Add Component button. Click Download ELCL modules. Select Slave Select Pin Function module and click Download. Agree to the license agreement. In Component List, select ELCL Slave Select Pin Function and click Finish. Click Add Component again. Select Voltage Detector and click Finish. Repeat the same steps to add Ports component. Continue to add the CSI communication component. Select Next. Select Operation Mode as Reception and Resource as CSI00. Click Finish.